me, her, she, this one. This is how she's doing her mask. Hey y'all, welcome to our second Vlogmas video. We made it to the second video. That was painful for your girl. In this video, it's gonna be like less of a vlog and more of just like a regular video, because I want to go ahead and try a turmeric mask. I want to go ahead and try that because I've been told that it clears up like hyperpigmentation, a lot of scarring and dark spots that may be on your face, and it just makes your skin more even. My skin has a lot of scarring, more so on the cheek area. Now, I'm not saying that my skin is the worst. I've seen worse, but my skin is definitely not the best. And I mean, who voluntarily wants to be the worst of skin? Nobody, not me at least. I just want to go ahead and get started with the video. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is wash my face. Y'all, this means some of you guys will be seeing me browless for the first time. So I kind of got like the little Rottweiler brow situation going on, but it's okay, you know, because we're family. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Ooh, honey, y'all catching me in the buff. So we gonna put a little Vaseline on because we don't want no Tyrone Biggums, I'm telling you. Okay, not today. I would just like to do a slight disclaimer. I'm no professional, okay? I did not go to school for skin. Do try this at your own risk. Help her, help her, help her. Turmeric. We're gonna do about that much, okay? We ain't trying to have a whole cookout on our face. We're gonna get some lemon, but we're just gonna do a little slice, a little wedge work. Then we just gonna have a slickum, cause that's my measurement, a slickum of honey. It's more like a slobbum, but you get a little sploosh of water, just a sploosh. And we're just gonna keep on mixing them. Okay. Delicious. You can use a spoon, it doesn't really matter. And we're just gonna put it right. Isn't that lovely? We're just gonna. My acne comes in the weirdest places. And you know what? I remember one time it was so bad that my coworker for one of my jobs that she had, that woman, we not gonna call her nothing else, gave me some Clearasil. I'm like, do you think I don't wash my face? Is that where you're getting at, that you don't think that I wash my face? I'm stressed. That's what all this is. I promise you guys, it was the job, because I literally left the job and my skin started clearing up. It was the people. It was the people. Them bad, girl, them bad. We ain't gonna let little bags stop us, honey. We ain't gonna stop that bag. We ain't gonna stop them bags from us getting our bag. That's good enough for you, girl. It's good enough. Is it good enough for us? Are we good? Are we camera ready? Can we also talk about this holiday season and how I'm gonna need y'all to calm down? Because here's the thing, I'm gonna do under my chin while I'm talking about this. Why not? Little Timmy will be okay without the 9-foot tree, Karen. Y'all up there putting all your faith in FedEx and whatnot, honey, it ain't coming. It ain't coming. What did you expect? All y'all little trolls done gone out there for Black Friday and for Cyber Monday and done spent all your dollars because they done took $5 off of the item. And now the warehouses and the carriers, they're playing catch up. Go to the store. Socialize. Ask Dolores in aisle 7 where to get the tree. The hell? Ooh. Now I'll come back to y'all when it is dry and we're ready to wash it off. Alright, y'all, so I think this is as dry as the mask is gonna get, which I'm really sad about. Like, I wanted it to be crusty. I wanted it to show crust. I wanted it to look like the mask had been through something. Lord Jesus, please, I pray that I ain't burn my skin off. Alright guys, I am back from washing that off my face. Your girl got a little nervous because for a while it was not coming off, and I was just like, did we make a bad decision? My skin feels soft, but it never really ever doesn't feel soft. I'm one of those instant gratification girls. So do I see any immediate changes? No, I don't, but I've been told that it is supposed to show change over the course of, like, you know, an entire, you know, week. I don't know if I intend to really do this for the entire week, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it moistured now because, like I said, no time on Bigums, honey. No wrinkles, honey, no wrinkles. And I know people are gonna have a lot of disagreements about this. This is for me, not for you. It's for me. I like to do a little bit, a swoosh, a swish, a swack of Vaseline. I know for most people it clogs their pores and everything, but it has not failed me yet. Skin police, do not come for your girl, okay? I am no one's professional. Yeah, like, it's, I mean, calm down. The final step is spraying rose water. It is a good toning agent for the skin, I've been told. I'm no one's professional. And now we're done. Yeah, that's on that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, stay notified by hitting that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video. Vlogmas is getting out to a great start. I'm so proud of myself for being this consistent because, you know, your girl struggles. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.